Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate with a score of 1.82. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. For those who followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.5% since we first suggested buying Intel 14 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.04% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. Typically, when a stock reaches the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend, it tends to react by moving back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $44.90, it may indicate an even stronger upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 12.57% expected over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could have a return ranging from -12.33% to 15.74%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 35.77% over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 3.55% and 39.39%. So, after a year, the stock could be priced anywhere between $45.22 and $60.87. Our latest update on Intel reveals some positive news. On Wednesday, the stock gained 0.0687%. The Intel stock price rose from $43.64 to $43.67 on the last trading day. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $43.55 and a high of $44.63, showing a 2.49% difference. It's worth noting that the stock has been rising in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 15.16% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded on the last day decreased by 5 million, with a total of 31 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.34 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume while prices are rising could indicate a potential change in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $44.93, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the price is 2.8% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of $1.26. Furthermore, it is 36.98% below the all-time high of $69.29, which was recorded on January 24, 2020. Keep these statistics in mind as you analyze the Intel stock and its potential for future growth. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded their rating for Intel to buy. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded their rating for Intel to buy. However, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel to underperform. On the same day, HSBC upgraded their rating for Intel to hold. Lastly, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS maintained a neutral rating for Intel. Analysts have given Intel stock a general recommendation of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there will be support at $42.75 and $37.61. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). Although the stock has been gaining in prices, there was a decrease in volume during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's important to closely monitor the stock's performance. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been observed, which may influence the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a minus 2.39% decline so far. It is indicated that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals you should know about. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, on the other hand, indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 11 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 18 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average displayed a buy signal 20 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 165 days ago. Make sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals and information. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $43.35. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience significant volatility throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. Looking at the Bollinger Band, there is a large prediction interval for Intel, indicating the potential for significant price fluctuations. In the previous day, the stock had a price range of $1.09, representing a 2.49% difference between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.5%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through tough periods, often due to external factors they can't control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.420. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is moving upward, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $43.81. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is broken before considering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. The consensus among multiple analysts is that Intel is rated as a buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, purchased 35,135 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, sold 17,420 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, sold 35,135 shares of restricted stock units. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, purchased 6,502 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, sold 3,224 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -31.963. In total, insiders have purchased 39,552,483 shares and sold 77,326,320 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $41.98, which represents a decrease of 3.86%. It's important to note that this stock experiences high daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 2 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall favorable trend, suggesting that now might be a good time to consider buying Intel stock. Our systems have determined that the current price of Intel stock is undervalued, after analyzing its volatility in recent movements. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, November 24th, we anticipate Intel to open with a gain of $0.278, starting at $43.95. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day overall. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.